Hello mga kamatmates, I am Rihanna Adao, grade 11 Confucius, and in this tutorial, I'll be discussing the concept of geometric sequence and series, including their definitions, formulas, and examples. So we have here our learning objectives. Define geometric sequence and geometric series, identify common ratio and the next term of sequence. Third is find the nth term of a geometric sequence and the sum of geometric series. And lastly, solve problem involving geometric sequence and geometric series. So, geometric sequence. A geometric sequence whose term is obtained by multiplying a constant number of the preceding term, and the constant number is called common ratio. Common ratio can be determined by dividing the second term by the first term. So, madidetermine natin ang common ratio pag i-divide natin ang second term sa first term. For example, identify the common ratio and the next term in the following sequence. So, we need to identify the common ratio and the next term. We have the given 1, 2, 4, 8. So, this it said that we need to divide the second term to the first term. So the second term in here is 2 and the first term is 1. So 2 divided by 1 is equals to 2. So the next term is 16 since 8 times 2 is equals to 16. Next is 5, 20, and 80. So 20 divided by 5 is equals to 4. And 80 times 4 is equals to 320. Kaya nakakuha tayo ng 320 kasi we just multiply the common ratio and the preceding term. State whether each of the following sequence is geometric or not. Number 1, 5, 20, 80, and 320. Is it a geometric sequence or not? So, 20 divided by 5 is equals to 4. And 320 divided by 80 is equals to 4. So, this is a geometric sequence because they both have common ratio. Number 2, negative 2, 4, negative 8, and 16. So, 4 divided by negative 2 is equals to negative 2, and 16 divided by negative 8 is equals to negative 2. So, this is also a geometric sequence. Number 3, 1, 3, 5, 8. So, this one is not a geometric sequence because 3 divided by 1 is equals 3, and 8 divided by negative 5 is equals to 1.6. So, not a geometric sequence. The nth term of geometric sequence is given by, so we have here a formula of geometric sequence. So a sub n is equals to a sub 1 times r raised to the power of n minus 1, where r should not be equal to 0. A sub 1 is the first term, r is the common difference, and n is the number of terms in a sequence. So, let's solve. What is the 10th term of the geometric sequence 1, 2, 4, 8? So, the first term is 1, and the number of terms is 10, and the common difference is 2, because 2 divided by 1 is equals to 2. And let's substitute. So, a sub 10 is equals to 1 times 2 raised to the power of 10 minus 1. So let's simplify. 10 minus 1 is equals to 9. So 2 raised to the power of 9 is equals to 104. So 1304. So 1 times 304 is equals to 304. So a sub 10. So the 10th term is 304. Exercise. Find the fourth and the fifth two term in 3, 12, 48, 192, and 768. So we need to find the fourth and fifth two term. So 12 divided by 3 is equals to 4. So the common difference is 4. So 48 times 4 is equals to 192. So this is the fourth term, the 192. And 192 times 4 is equals 768. So the 768, this is the fifth term. Next is find the sixth term in 3, 12, 48, 192, and 768. So the first term is 3 and the number of term is 6 and the common difference is 4 because 12 divided by 3 is equals to 4. Let's substitute. A sub 6 is equals to 3 times 4 raised to the power 6 minus 1. So let's simplify. 6 minus 1 is equals to 5. So 4 raised to the power of 5 is equals to 1024. So 3 times 1024 is equals to 3072. So the eighth, the sixth term is 3072.
Geometric series. A geometric series is the sum of the term of a geometric sequence. Example: what is the sum of the first 10 terms of 2 plus 2 plus 2? Solution. So, 2 plus 2 will be add 10 times. So, ang ating answer sa ating solution ay 20. If r is equals to 1, then we will use our formula S sub n is equals to na sub 1. What if r is equals to negative 1? If r is equals to negative 1 and n is even, we will use our formula, the S sub n is equals to 0. Now, if r is equals to negative 1 and n is odd, then S sub n is equals to a sub 1. Example: what is the sum of first 10 terms of 2 minus 2 plus 2 minus 2? So, our r is equals to 2 divided negative 2 is equals to negative 1. Now, matapos natin mag-solution, ang ating r ay is equals to negative 1. N is equals to 10, which is a even number. So, S sub n is equals to 0. Atin muna i-substitute ang n. So, ang atin n is equals to 10. So, S sub 10 is equals to 0. What is the sum of the first 11 terms of 2 minus 2 plus 2 minus 2? R is equals to divide R is equals to 2 divide negative 2 is equals to 1. So our R is equals to negative 1. N is equals to 11, which is an even number. Our formula is S sub n is equals to A sub 1. Substitute S sub 11 is equals to 2. So now, to find the sum of finite geometric sequence, we have here a formula. S sub n is equals to A sub 1, the quantity of R raised to n minus 1 over R minus 1, where R should never be equal to 1. So, we will find the given. I mean, after to find the given, we have an example. What is the sum of the first 5 terms of 3, 6, 12, 24, 48, and 96? So here's our given. A sub 1 is equals to 3, R is equals to 2, and N is equals to 5. Now, we will use our formula to find the sum of finite geometric sequence, or to find the first 5 terms. S sub n is equals to A sub 1, the quantity of R raised to n minus 1 over R minus 1. Now we will substitute our given to the formula. S sub 5 is equals to 3, the quantity of 2 raised to 5 minus 1 over 2 minus 1. Now, our first step is we will times 2. 2 raised to 5 is 32, and 2 minus 1 is 1. So, 3, the quantity of 32 minus 1 over 1 is our S sub n. Now, we will minus 32 to 1. So, our answer is 31. 3 times 31 over 1 is 93 over 1. Now, 93 over 1 is 93. Our S sub n is equals to 93. The sum of the first 5 terms is 93. That's all. Thank you.